On behalf of Batch 2025, I would like to thank you friends from the media for being here with us at GH Tower offices. I warmly welcome you with us at the Philippine School of Interior Design 48th Interior Design Graduate Exhibit entitled Designs of Christmas Exhibit, or DOSE. Today, we showcase an exhibit that goes beyond festive lights and ornaments. DOSE is a reflection of creativity, values, and tradition. The exhibit is divided into unique galleries: a Christmas chronology, Christmas by culture, colors of Christmas, and character of Christmas. Each gallery tells a story and highlights a unique perspective, from the timeless beauty of tradition to the richness of unique cultural celebrations around the world, the vibrance of festive colors, and enduring spirit that highlights the moods and moments of the season. DOSE is a celebration of creativity, imagination, and teamwork. Our hope is that the exhibit inspires all of us to see the season not only as a holiday, but as an expression of our shared values that give the season its magic. It is with great pride and honor to officially declare the Designs of Christmas exhibit open. Thank you all and have a wonderful afternoon.
Magandang araw po sa lahat at syempre, nagpapasalamat ako kasama ng aking mga estudyante batch 2025 at dahil nandito kayong lahat. Despite the fact that of course it's raining outside, nandito pa rin kayo, and for that we're very, very grateful. Now you are here to witness, of course, firsthand, like a sneak preview of DOSE, Designs of Christmas exhibit. Now, a little background on the PSID exhibits. The PSID exhibit started in 1979 with only 9 graduates exhibiting. At noong unang panahon, 1979, opo, some of you might not even be born yet. 1979 was a turning point in PSID's history because this, we did not know at that time, would actually start a tradition of putting out excellent exhibits that of course showcase the talents of PSID students, not only in terms of their classroom learnings, their theories, their drafting skills, of course nowadays their computer skills, but also the way that they handle the pressure of putting together a 4x6 to 4x8 square meter spaces in just a matter of less than 4 weeks. This has been the tradition ever since 1979, and I'm very proud to say that from then until now, we have still been able to come up with exhibits that are of course on time every year. Now for this to happen, of course, we're very, very thankful for the efforts of Batch 2025 because I, together with one other teacher, Mr. Nicky Herdinil, take turns in giving them very excellently challenging themes, and for this year, we decided, why not join the bandwagon of actually celebrating Christmas in September, and might as well give our viewers, our exhibit audiences out there, a chance to actually celebrate Christmas not only 3 months earlier, but might as well give them ideas on designs and stylings that they themselves can actually do on their own homes. So this was primarily the force that sort of like catapulted this batch's exhibit to actually create 12 booths. DOSE, of course, not only stands for DOCE, Designs of Christmas exhibit, but it also is the number of excellently designed spaces that you will be witnessing today. I, as an exhibit advisor, am very proud of the fact that these students rose to the challenge. Hindi po sila nakapamili actually. Wala silang choice. Kung ano yung bibigay namin exhibit team sa kanila, yun ang kanilang gagawin. They cannot argue, they cannot complain. Plus the fact that them being also randomly assigned a gallery also was a non-negotiable. Yung iba gusto niya sa color, hindi sila napunta sa color. Yung iba gusto nila sa culture, hindi sila napunta sa culture. This all the more sort of like, makes the stakes a little higher so that academically, as teachers, we can also, of course, test them and at the same time make sure that they rise to the challenge.